Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video we're going to be removing
the idle air controller valve.
One is 10 millimeter, it's way back in here. I got an extension on there. Going to remove that. Alright, the whole thing is loose now. It's a matter of taking off the hoses and the electrical connections. And then this part, loosen that screw and I'm going to detach this part, this hose. One screw underneath. Once you get that off there, then this hose should come off. And it's holding a metal piece there. Oh, there goes the screw. This whole thing should pull out now. Alright, detach this hose. Take this vacuum hose off, and then that'll give you some clearance to pull this out. Alright, with a little oomph, I was able to get that off there like that. And now all you gotta do is remove that. You can easily access that vacuum hose on the back of it. And I like to use a pair of pliers, partly because it makes people mad. It works just as good. Alright, I got that vacuum hose off, and then just have to get this electrical connection off. And it's just a pull up on the this little clip right there. Pull up on that clip, and then pull it out. Here we are. Here's our part, and it has some numbers on it. 6Y27. Anyway, that's how you remove it. And installation is reversal of removal. I took the battery out because I got tired of looking at it, and it actually gave me more access to nothing. Anyway, so that's that part, and I'm always trying to get good thumbnails, but doing this like that, doing like that, I don't see that they work out very well. But anyway, so that's the inside of that, and now it's all about actually looking the part up and seeing what the heck this is, because I don't really know what this is. It's some type of component. It's on there's the throttle, and it's on here, so maybe it has to do with intake, I don't know. But anyway, have a great day. It's been another Matthumanpizza video on a 1997 Ford Aspire to be a part putter on her and a part taker off her. So just looking at this part, I'm not seeing any. There's numbers here, so if you want to get the exact part, if this broke and you want to get the exact part, type those numbers in on a search engine online, and you will find your exact part. This has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great and wonderful day, and I will enjoy my soccer field that I have made with a weed eater. See, there's the center, there's where you start, right in the middle, and then that's the middle of the soccer field, and then over here is the goal right here. Just hit the wall with the ball, and then on this side you just go between those trees. And then we'll also have the corners. I used a weed eater to make this happen. There's a little corner here. You can do little corner kicks right here. So I have all four corners, and so that's just how we do it here in Matthumanpizza land. We just have a good time, make videos, and we're not ran on solar power, but we try to be. So have a great day. Alright, some bonus content. Some of these designers and engineers and the people that don't want you to get into these parts, they design these specific fasteners that you need specific tools, specialized tools to get into, but you can get into them. Use vice grips and set it on a setting to where you can just barely get that thing on there. You really have to clamp down to get it on there, and then you're able to, and then loosen it, and then just keep doing that until you get it off. Got one of them off already. So that's one quick tip into getting around these silly fasteners. Sometimes the grabber tool comes in handy because you might have like a bolt that's back in there, and you might have to use the grabber tool to extract it, which is onto it and pull it out. There we go. Alright, those bolts in the back are once they like to fall down. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video we're going to be removing this on the back of the engine right here. Just a couple fasteners to remove and a vacuum hose. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it. So I'm going to loosen this. It's 10 millimeter. Alright, took that back fastener off, which was a nut, and we got a bolt. So those two were the fasteners I've taken off. One was right back here, and one was clear in the bottom. And then we got this hose here. I already loosened the clamp. I used a pair of pliers. Used the proper tool for that, but I used a pair of pliers and worked just fine. Just got to wiggle it back and forth until it pops off. And then that's off. And then this pulls straight out. So back here, as you can see, it's on this little block, screw block, or whatever you want to call it. And there you go. There is that part. I put this down because I don't want to get dirty. That's why I wear gloves. And yeah, so there's the part. It says P. I'm going to read it like greater than P minus AM less than B3H7. There's that side. There's that side. Oh, there's the part number. So it's ST-57.NB-3 EGI chamber resonance. Ooh, maybe that's not the part number. Chamber resonance B3H71319X, and it has a year. This is a 97. This is a 97 Ford Aspire. Aspire to be the leader in excellence. This is a Ford Aspire, and it's a cloudy day today, and we just removed this part. I'm holding a smartphone, and I can't wait to get my tripod mount for the smartphone so I don't have to have shaky video. But anyway, I remove that. You take those two bolts off and take the vacuum hose off, and I don't even think you have to take anything else off because I access that pretty easily, and that's removal. Installation is a reversal of removal. So, well, just want to button that back up there. Just slide that back on there. There's always going to be something in the way. And then put this hose back on and slide that back up, and you are good to go. Alright, that's how you remove that part. Whew. Alright, this has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great and wonderful day. Alright, some bonus video. This bonus video, I'm going to show you how to properly remove a car battery on a Ford Aspire. You always want to take the negative connection off the negative terminal. To remove a battery properly, you disconnect the negative battery cable to the negative terminal. It's usually 10 millimeter socket will get this off, but this is already loosened. Just for the video, take negative and take the positive off, and if you do it that way, you won't have any shocks or any electricity zapping you. And to install it, you put the positive on and then you put the negative on.